Welcome. In this video, we will explore the essentials of navigating the Linux file system using the command line. We'll focus on the cd command, which stands for Change Directory, and also cover some handy shortcuts to make your navigation faster and more efficient. The cd command, short for Change Directory, is your primary tool for moving between directories in the Linux file system. It's one of the most fundamental commands you will use to get around in the terminal. For example, if you are in your Documents directory and want to go to the Downloads directory, you would type cd downloads. The prompt will then update to show that you are now in the Downloads directory. Alternatively, to navigate to the etc. directory, you can use the absolute path cd/etc. This will take you directly to the etc. directory, regardless of your current location. Finally, typing cd, which is cd followed by the tilde symbol, will always take you back to your home directory. The cd command uses two main types of paths, absolute and relative. Absolute paths start with a /, that is, /. They specify the complete path from the root directory. For example, cd/home/user/documents will take you to the Documents directory, no matter where you currently are in the file system. Relative paths, on the other hand, specify the path relative to your current location and do not start with a /. For example, if you are in /home/user/ and want to go to /home/user/documents, you can simply type cd documents. Relative paths depend on your current working directory. The cd command comes with several special shortcuts that can make navigation even faster. The tilde symbol, tilde, represents your home directory. Typing cd will always take you to your home directory, no matter where you are in the file system. The // represents the root directory. Typing cd/ will take you to the very top level of the file system. A single dot refers to the current directory. So typing cd doesn't actually change your location, but it can be useful in certain scripts or commands. Two dots represent the parent directory, meaning the directory one level up from your current location. Typing cd will move you up one level. Here are some advanced cd shortcuts that can further streamline your navigation. The command cd-, that is cd followed by a hyphen, takes you back to the previous directory you were in. This is useful for quickly toggling between two locations. You can also navigate to another user's home directory by typing cd username, replacing username with the actual username. For example, cd root will take you to the root user's home directory. To move up multiple directory levels at once, you can use cd/, which moves you up 2 levels. You can combine the tilde with a specific folder to quickly access a directory within your home directory. For example, cd/documents will take you directly to your Documents folder, no matter where you currently are. Tab completion is a very useful feature that saves time and reduces errors when typing directory names. After typing part of a directory name, press the Tab key. If there is only one matching directory, the shell will automatically complete the name for you. If there are multiple matches, pressing Tab twice will display a list of possible completions. This is very useful when you don't remember the exact name, or when there are similar names. Tab completion also works with nested directories. For example, if you type cd-doc, press Tab to complete documents, then type /pro, and press Tab again, it will complete projects, resulting in cd documents projects/. Sometimes directory names include spaces or special characters. To handle spaces in directory names, you can either enclose the entire path in quotes or escape each space with a \. For example, cd my documents or cd my \documents will both work. Special characters like exclamation marks, $signs, ampersands, and asterisks also need to be handled carefully. You can escape these characters with a \, or use quotes to prevent the shell from interpreting them. Tab completion can automatically handle the escaping of spaces and special characters, which simplifies the process. For example, CD folder with ampersand symbol. To become efficient with the CD command, here are some best practices. Always use tab completion to avoid typos and save time, especially when dealing with long or complex directory names. Use CD-, that is CD followed by a hyphen, to quickly switch between your current and previous working directories. When you are unsure of your location, start from your home directory using CD, and then navigate from there. Finally, use the pwd command, which stands for present working directory, after changing directories to confirm that you are in the correct location. By mastering these practices, you will become much more proficient with the Linux command line. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.